Hey, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Paul. I own and operate TCI Development. We're a building contracting company located in Southern California. If you've been following along, this is the 20,000 square foot house that my framer is framing down here in Temecula wine country area. They have all the walls standing. You know, the last couple of days we had some severe high winds, so that big giant tall wall you see back there came crashing down. Fortunately, nobody was hurt. It was right at break time. And even though we had braces on it, the wind was over 70 miles an hour, so that thing came crashing down. But all the walls are standing, and they're now plumb and lining the walls. And then they're going to start setting all the beams. So they're beam setting all the strong walls, getting all that in place. But they're going to continue framing this thing and get this done in preparation for roof trusses, which I believe are going to come in about a week or so. We're going to set the roof trusses on the RV garage first, and then get the rest of these. There's going to be several truckloads of trusses. Well, let's take a look at what's happening out here. So you can see all the walls are framed. They're just setting beams and stuff now. Over there is the RV garage. That's the indoor cricket ball court. But that big tall wall that you see right there, when the wind came, we had braces on it, it came crashing down. And like I said, fortunately, no one was in the way, and it was break time, and it didn't hurt anybody. But scary situation. You never can tell with the high winds out here. It was a Santa Ana situation, and the winds were about 70-75 miles an hour. But no one was hurt, which is all that matters. So let's go in here and take a look. This is the wall right here that came crashing down. This wall's about 40 feet tall. Giant steel beam to support that span. That's a huge span and a lot of weight above it, so we have giant beams up there. And those bolts you see sticking out is so wood member can get bolted to that to support these everything else that's going across this ceiling. You working hard?
Oh yeah. Yes, we are.
Good. So you can see we got a little rain the last couple days. These braces you see right here, all these braces you see, that's to hold the walls nice and plumb. That's called plumb and lining. They run a line down the walls to make sure everything's nice and straight. Here's the indoor cricket ball court. So that's what's happening out here today. Wes, my framer, this guy's the best in the business. And they're going to continue forward framing this thing in preparation for roof trusses. But fortunately, we only had a couple days of rain. But the windy situation was a scary situation. And I hope we don't see any wind like that anytime soon. Here's the RV garage. That's all framed out. We're probably going to put the trusses up on that first. A little bit muddy out here today. We'll walk up here on top of the hill and get a little view from the top so you can get an idea of what this place looks like. There it is. 20,000 square feet.